Hey there, this is Colton with North Island Nissan, and behind me I have the 2018 Nissan Maxima. This one here is the SV trim level, which it might not be fully loaded, but you could actually be surprised with all the features that it does come with. On the outside here you can see the beautiful machine-cut aluminum alloy wheels on it. Going around the outside of it here, you do have the pedestrian blinkers, and it does have Nissan's intelligent key fob as well. So there is a button on the door handle that you can use to lock and unlock the vehicle with. Going to the inside, you'll find it does have Nissan's very comfortable zero-gravity seats, along with a leather interior and heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel as well, so you have no problem keeping warm in the wintertime. And for driving, you do have 300 horsepower as well, so you'll find a very sporty ride in this vehicle. Alright, so in the interior here, we do have the map and navigation in this model. There's also a dual climate control, so you can set a different temperature for each side of the vehicle. Going down below that, you have the gear shifter. It's a leather-wrapped gear shifter, so it's easy to keep nice and clean. There is a manual mode in the vehicle as well, so you can pull it back and manually shift through the gears. Going down below that, you do have the heated seats down below here. On the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, all of your volume control options for the source and the radio and all of that. And then to the left of the steering wheel, you do have the heated steering wheel, so you can get that nice and warm in the wintertime there. Other than that, you got intermittent windshield wipers. It is an auto-dimming rearview mirror up top, so if someone's high-beaming you from behind, it will dim down all by itself. So you definitely get a ton of nice features in this vehicle, and especially the leather interior is very comfortable in the zero-gravity seats as well. If you want to know a little bit more about the 2018 Nissan Maxima, get a hold of myself. Again, my name's Colton, or you can find Haley and Colin here at North Island Nissan. Our number is 250-287-7272. Thanks for watching.